everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hello, my name is Amy and welcome to a really exciting video. It's a bit weird if I'm honest. I never thought I would film this because I don't know, I just never been one for it, but I did a poll on my Instagram story and everybody said that they wanted me to do an unboxing, and that is of course of the Glossybox advent calendar. Oh my god, this is literally so big. I've tried to do like a professional setup, but you actually can't even see it on the table next to me, so that didn't really work, unless you can kind of see it there. But yeah, so I never really thought that I would film an unboxing because I kind of always wanted to keep it for Christmas myself and like obviously open it on like the days of December, but here we are. So I'm going to do a unboxing of the advent calendar. So if you don't want to see what's in this, if you are planning to get it or you've already got it and you don't want to see what is inside, then do not watch this video because everything is going to be revealed. But yeah, so I guess Christmas is coming early to me. So in the advent calendar this year, there's actually 25 days instead of last year there was 24. So you're actually getting an extra product as well. And this has products that are over the price of, I think it adds up to like over £390, which is just crazy when they're selling it for £99. So if you aren't a subscriber, then you will get it for £99. And if you are a subscriber, then you get it for £80. Which is insane because like I said, it's worth over like £390, which is just mad. So like I said, this has got a value of over £390, or you can get it for £99 or £80 if you're a subscriber. And it's got 14 full-size products in there, and also the rest are like mini deluxe products. So let's just open it. I've not watched anyone else's one of these because I didn't want any spoilers. So yeah. I don't know what drawer to go in first. I'm guessing this is gonna, oh my god, this is gonna fall over. That's what this is gonna do. Right. So in the first drawer, we've got number 1. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because all the drawers are muddled up. So number 1, we have got, I'm gonna try and do this really quick because it could be like one of that. I'm gonna put it there. It could end up being one of those like rambling videos, and I don't want that. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna make such a mess. First up, we have got Brushworks Complexion and Contouring Kit, which is like sponges. Sorry if that reflection is so bad. Some sponges. Do you know what? I'm not going to do it in order because that way you won't know. If you are going to pick up this calendar, then you won't know what you're going to get on what day. I'll do it that way so it can still be like a little bit of a surprise. So, next up, we have got, I feel like I'm opening these all upside down. We've got Kat Von D Beauty, which is not actually Kat Von D Beauty anymore. What is it? This does say it's changed. I can't think what it's changed to, but this is a extreme volume mascara. Love that. I'm always needing mascaras. So then we have got a Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Wedding Day. I'm not going to swatch it just because I want to leave some stuff as a surprise, like as much as I can. We've got a brow definer, MUA brow definer eyebrow pencil. Oh, that's nice. A sleek loose pigment in like a gold coppery shade. Ew, what's this? Fenty Beauty matchstick. So right, I'm going to open this. This is in the shade Tripping. What is this? Oh my god. I love it when you get products that you've never tried before. This is a full size. Oh, that is stunning. I didn't put enough on. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I love that so much. Okay, drawer number 1 is done. Do you know what? I might, no. Okay, drawer number 2. We have got a little mini multi-correction cream by Filagora. I've heard of that brand, but I've never tried anything from there. Then we have got a mini glycolic acid treatment. I absolutely love glycolic acid for the skin. Honestly, I use it all the time. I absolutely love that. We've got a Frank Body Coffee Scrub. I've heard so much about this. It's meant to be good for cellulite, but I don't actually know how true that is. Oh, I actually love this product. This is the Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant. This is so good. I absolutely love this. It's like a really, really fine like skin exfoliator. Another full-size product. What's it gonna be? Oh, so this is actually the Glossybox Skincare. This is the 3-in-1 moisturizer, plumps, primes and protects. I've really, really wanted to get my hands on some of their skincare, so very excited to try that. And then the final box for this drawer. It feels heavy. Looks like it's going to be full size. It is the Lee Stafford Hair Apology Intensive Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. Nourishes and rehabilitates. I love the smell of Lee Stafford. Is this going to smell the same? Yes. Lee Stafford, the smell of Lee Stafford's hair products is just next level. If you've smelt it, then you know. I don't even need to explain. This was heavy. Ooh, a Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist. Always wanted to try the Pixie mist. I've heard that these are really, really good. That's obviously a full size product. Next up we have got Avanti Hyaluronic Collagen Mask. Ooh, oh, it's an eye formula. Love that. Do you know what? I never ever normally use eye cream. Well, I never used to use eye creams, and recently I've started to, and I noticed such a difference. Bare Minerals Prime Time Foundation Primer. Oh, I was going to say it's very small. This is obviously one of the minis. Ew. I've never tried many products from Bare Minerals. Like, it's not one of those brands that I gravitate to. I don't know if that's because it's always like branded as like a very, very natural, and I quite like full coverage. Like if I'm wearing makeup, I wanted full coverage. Like, not that I wear it every day. I mean, if you know me, I'm barely ever wearing makeup. But we have got a E-Cooking hand cream, apricot. I need to smell that now. Oh, it doesn't actually smell of apricot. It doesn't smell quite nice. It smells, oh, almond oil and kernel oil. Yeah, that's what I can smell. Ooh, what is this? We've got an Illamasqua eyeliner in black. Do you know what? I've not tried a lot of Illamasqua stuff either. I feel like 8 years ago that was like a really, really known brand. I mean, it is still known, but I don't hear a lot of people talk about it. Do you know what I mean? This is a big box. Ooh, a bubble bath, a bath bomb from Bubble Tea. Bubble Tea do a bath bomb? What? Okay, so I'm now on to the last box, which has got number 25, which is absolutely massive. I'm gonna save that one to last. Okay. Ooh. So we've got, oh, this is lime crime. Do you know what? I've not actually tried lime crime products, but my brother's girlfriend absolutely loves their products. That is a really nice, it's like a liquid red. That's really, really lovely. We have got a Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. Love the sound of that. We have got a Nails Ink nail varnish in the shade Victoria, which is like a really deep kind of like maroony red, I would say. And then finally, oh wait, there's boxes underneath that. There's more boxes. Okay, what is this? Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have wanted to try Glow Recipe masks for so long, but they are not cheap, so I have not bought any. And now I need to smell this because it said watermelon. Oh my god, that smells incredible. What else have we got in here? Oh, we've got a Zoeva Screen Queen palette. This is, oh my god, so much packaging. Oh, it's a highlighter palette. Oh, I hate that my ring light is like playing me. They're really, really pretty shades. You've got like a really goldy one, a pink one, and then a like deeper one. Love them. That's really, really nice. Then we have got, oh my god, what is this? It's fluffy. Oh my god, I'm not even just saying this. I was thinking I needed to go and buy these. I was watching Molly May's Primark haul literally last night, and she bought a couple from Primark, and I was like, do you know what? I really need to grab myself one of them. Oh. Obviously, I wouldn't wear it like this. You wear it to like push your hair back when you're doing your makeup. It's completely mucked up my hair. My hair looks so weird today. I don't ever have straight hair, and no, I'm just not really here for it. I'm not into straight hair on me. Right, anyway, the final one. I feel like I have zoomed through this so quick. So yeah, the final door, and it's the big one. I don't want to look at it just yet. Ah, it's an Iconic London eyeshadow palette. I wanted to try the Iconic London eyeshadow palettes for so long, because I used to do some, like years ago, I used to do some Snapchat takeovers for them, and I had their like pigment sticks, and I never really liked them. The only product that I really liked from Iconic London was the highlighter, like the liquid illuminator drops. I've not tried anything else from them, so I can't really say about anything else, but this is right up my street. Look at those shades. That is right up my street. So I'm excited to try that out and see what I actually think of it. Love that. Very creamy, but does it actually... Let me try a brown. Yeah, look, can you see that? See, I don't know how this can work. I'm gonna have to do... It's just not coming off. Okay, the shimmer ones are nice, but the matte ones, I think I'm gonna have to have a little play. But yeah, that is everything. So that is everything that we get in the Glossybox Advent calendar. I feel like I want to do an overview, but at the same time leave some to the imagination. But yeah, oh my god, I feel so spoiled. Christmas as well and truly came early to me. But yeah, if you want to get your hands on the Glossybox, I will leave all the details down below, as well as my link as well. So if you shop through my link, it just helps me out and lets Glossybox basically know that you're shopping with them because you watched my video, and which obviously helps me out in the long run. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. So many amazing things in this. I'm so excited to try out the like Pixie stuff, the Fenty stuff. Honestly, very excited. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Also go and follow me over on my Instagram as well. I'm so close to 10,000 followers over there now, and I've been saying it for the longest time, but there will be a really big giveaway when I hit 10,000, so make sure you're following me to be in with the chance of winning that. But yeah, I'll love and leave you, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.